Once you unlock your iPad, look for the clinic app. After it loads, enter your username and password, then log in. The first window that loads is the secretary's queue. Here you will see previously scheduled patient visits or walk-ins from unscheduled patients. To add a new patient, you need to click the Patient Record tab. Look for the circle with the plus sign on the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Fill in the patient information as applies. Once you reach the birth date field, a window will pop up below letting you choose the year, month, and the date. It is important to add a year first because the choices will only be limited to the past dates. By default, the sexual orientation selected in the field is female, but you can also select male. Click Save. If the patient was successfully added to the patient list, a notification below will pop up. You can now look for the patient on your list. As you can see, Miss De La Cruz is now on the patient's list. A pop-up window will show the following options. If you want to exit the window, click Cancel. To update or correct patient's information, click Quick Edit. Edit the information that you want to change, then click Save. A notification will tell you that your changes has been saved. To view current and previous consultations, click View Transactions. Previous patient information will show on the top part of the screen. Their full name and nickname, birth date and age, gender and height. Remember that the age was no longer asked in patient record field. It is automatically generated by the system in reference to the current date. Because Ms. De La Cruz is new, there is no patient record consultation existing for her at the moment. To schedule a transaction for Ms. De La Cruz, click on Add to Queue. A pop-up window containing her name and date will show. If the transaction is a date to be scheduled, you can change the date like how you added a birthday. But if the transaction will be done today, there is no need to change the date and just click Save. A notification below will show that she was successfully added to the queue. To confirm, go to the Queue tab, Secretary's Queue. You are supposed to see her name there. In case she wants to cancel her transaction, you can click on the trash can on the right side and a pop-up window will confirm your cancellation. Then click Yes, and her name will be deleted from the list. Since we don't want to remove her from the list, let's click No. When we click the name of Ms. De La Cruz, you are given the option to reschedule the visit. You will be asked to nominate another date for the consultation. To be catered by the doctor, we need to move her to the doctor's queue. The system will now ask for the current weight of the patient, then click Save. The system will ask if the patient have brought lab results with them that you can upload to the system for the doctor to view during the consultation. Let's click Yes. It will now open the consultation page. Take note of the date on the left side. It means that today's consultation has already been created and it has been moved to the doctor's queue. As the secretary, you cannot add any other information other than the images of the laboratory results. To add, click Add Scan, and a pop-up window asking for the document title for the image needs to be filled in order for the doctor to easily identify the type of results that was added. Additional information can be placed on the description. To upload an image, you can either take a photo or choose a photo in your Photos app. Let's click Choose Image. Browse the gallery for the picture, then click on that image. A small preview of that image will be shown to confirm if the image selected is accurate. If not, click Choose Image again and choose the right picture in the Photos app. Once it's successfully added, you will see your image title on the list, and you can click on it to view the image. To close the preview, you can drag the image and flick it to the left or right side of the screen. You can still edit the image details by clicking on the image title and choose Edit Image Details and you will be redirected to the same window that you had when you were uploading a new image. Once you're done, you can choose the arrow on the upper left-hand corner of the screen and you will be redirected to the secretary's queue. When you look at doctor's queue, Miss De La Cruz is in number 7 and is ready to be served by the doctor.